Hi friends, welcome to Tech with VI. This is the part 6th of learning HTML. In previous video I have discussed how to create headings and paragraphs. In this video I am going to discuss about fonts and how to make any text bold, italic, underline. Already it's been discussed, but in this video I am going to discuss in different way. Without much ado, let's get into the video. I am opening
First.html dash web development.
I have saved the file and generated the boilerplate here.
Less body greater blank.
I am in blank line. I am opening font tag.
FO font comma property level 1.
Here I am pressing enter.
First.ht great less.
I am creating one blank line.
Less font greater blank.
Here I am writing some text.
First.htp CE page b suggest r br comma first.html comma preview editor as.
Let's understand the code first.
Less font greater. Less.
This is the opening tag of the font tag less font.
Font greater.
After opening the font tag, here I have written some text.
This is page less br greater.
Finally I have closed the font tag.
Less slash font greater.
Less slash font greater.
Font greater.
I am opening live server.
Menu. 5 peaks up, go to ref, go run, command, stop, open with live, first.html, comma, preview editor as autocomplete. Learning HTML dash, Google Chrome window, learning HTML, this is page. This is page.
Friends, this is page, this is the output. Let's check the formatting of this text.
Times New Roman 12 PT black on white align left.
By default, formatting is applied here. Let's understand how to change the font type.
First.ht.
To change the font type of the any web page, we have to use the attribute called face.
This is page less br great less font greater.
Here I am using that attribute face.
Line feed greater.
Here I am giving one space before greater than sign.
Font space.
Here I am writing face.
FA for CE.
Face equal to.
Face equals.
Between the inverted commas, I am giving value.
Quote.
In fonts, there are various types of types. For instance, Arial, Career New, Times New Roman. Here I am writing Arial.
ARIAL.
I am saving this.
Arial.
I am running in live server this code.
Learning HTML dash Google learning HTML.
Now let's check the formatting of this web page. How Times New Roman has applied or Arial has applied or.
Arial 12 PT black on white align left.
Okay, now this text has applied Arial. Font is applied Arial. Let's understand how to change the pixel of the any web page. By default, it has applied 12 pt.
Arial 12 PT black 12 PT black 12 PT Arial.
This is Arial.
12 PT.
This is by default 12 pt. Let's understand how to change the pixel of the web page.
Learning first.html.
To change the pixel of the any web page, we have to use the attribute called size. Size attribute used to create any size attribute used to change any pixel of the any web page.
Less body greater, less font face line feed.
Here I am using size attribute.
Greater. Space. Line feed greater.
Here I am writing size.
S suggest I this E
Equal to.
E equals first.quote.
In size, friends, we have to give the attribute called 1 to 7. What value you have to give? You can give here. Here I am writing 6.
6.
Let's save this. Now I am running the code.
Learning HTML dash Google learning HTML.
Now let's check the formatting.
Arial 24 PT black on white align left. Arial for format.
Friends, by default it is 12 pt.
Arial.
Now it is 24 pt.
24 PT black on white.
Color is black on white. Let's understand how to change the color of the any font tag.
Learning HTML first.
Already I have discussed one attribute called color, bg color, but that attribute we have to use in body tag. If we use bg color, it will our web page, entire web page will look what color we are giving. But if we are using any color attribute in font tag, entire page will not looking that same color.
Less body greater, less font face equals.
Here I am using the attribute called color.
Line feed greater. Space.
Here I am writing color.
O first.html color equals quote.
Here I am giving value called purple.
PU first R PL E. Purple.
I am running this.
Learning HTML dash Google learning HT.
Let's check the formatting.
For formatting. 24 P Arial. 24 PT. Dark purple on white.
Color has applied purple.
Align left. Learning.
Friends, these are the some attributes of
learning HTML first.
Font tag. Let's understand how to make any text bold, italic, underline. Already I have discussed how to make any text bold, italic, underline by using strong EM and INS tag.
This is page less slash font greater.
But in this video I am going to discuss in different way.
Line feed.
Here I have created a blank line.
Less slash font greater. Blank.
Here I am using less b greater, less slash b greater, less b greater. This is the opening tag of the any bold tag. Less slash b greater. This is the closing tag. Here I am opening a bold tag.
B suggest list. B comp first dot H great less.
Here I am writing one word.
HELLO hello space B R BR comma first dot HTML.
Let's understand the code. Less. This is the opening tag
B greater,
and I have written here one word.
hello less BR greater,
This is the BR tag. This is common in HTML.
less
And this is the closing tag.
greater less slash B greater.
Let's run this code.
Learning HTML. Learning HTML. This is page hello.
Let's check the formatting of this word. Hello word.
Times New Roman 12 pt black on white bold line left.
Hello has applied bold.
Type pane for 12 p times New Roman 12 pt black on white bold.
Hello word has applied bold.
Learning H.
Let's understand
First dot HTML first
how to make any text italic.
less slash body greater less blank.
To make any text italic, we have to use the tag called less I greater. Here I am using less I greater.
I suggest list I comma first dot great less.
Here I am writing thank you.
THAN K thank space YOU space B suggest list B comma R BR comma first dot HTML comma preview.
I am running the code.
Learning HTML. Learning HTML. Hello, thank you. Hello, thank you.
Let's check. Hello, thank you. How is it looking?
Times New Roman 12 pt black on white italic align left.
Okay, thank you is looking italic.
Type unformatted. Black on white 12 pt Times New Roman 12 pt black on white italic.
This is looking italic.
Learning.
Let's understand how to make any text underline.
Learning first dot less slash body greater less
I am creating one blank line here.
blank.
To make any text underline, we have to use the tag called U. Less U greater. This is the obvious opening tag. Less slash U greater. This is the closing tag.
U suggest list U comma property level 1.
I am pressing enter here.
First dot H greater less
Here I am writing some text.
T S space I S space first dot EAGE page space B R BR comma first dot HTML comma preview.
Let's run the code.
Learning HTML. Learning HTML. Thank you. This is page. This is page.
Let's check the formatting of this text. This is page.
Type for format. Black on white 12 pt Times New Roman
Font is New Roman.
12 pt.
Pixel is 12 pt.
Black on white.
Color is black on white.
Underlined.
Okay, this is page. This text has applied underline.
Align left.
Alignment is left.
Learning HTML. First dot HT first.
Friends, in this video I have discussed about font and how to make any text bold, italic, underline. Friends, after writing our code, we must close the live server. Already I have discussed, but in this video again I am going to discuss this. First, if you want to close the live server, first we have to close the Google Chrome. I am closing Google Chrome.
Learning HTML dash Google Chrome.
I am pressing here Alt F4.
First dot HTML.
Google Chrome has closed. I am pressing right click to close the live server.
Menu.
I am navigating by pressing up and down key.
Command stop live server Alt plus L Alt plus C 15 of 16.
Okay, I got the stop live server. Here I am pressing enter.
First dot HTML comma preview editor as autocomplete.
Okay, live server got closed. After closing live server, we must close the file also. If you want to close the file, we have to use the shortcut key command Ctrl plus F4. Don't use Alt F4. If you press Alt F4, entire VS Code will close. Here I am pressing Ctrl F4.
First dot HTML dash web development dash Visual Studio.
Just here file has closed, but folder has not closed. After closing the file, we must close the folder also. If you want to close the folder, use the shortcut key command called Ctrl plus K. After pressing K, press F letter.
F document. Application.
Finally, I have closed the live server, file and folder. In this video, I have discussed how to make about fonts, italic, bold and underline, and I have also told how to close live server, file and folder. If you have understood this video, please like this video, share and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.
Yeah.